Welcome to our playlist on organizing content into modules and topics in your Panther Learn course shells. This is Lindsay Mason, the Director of Faculty Services, and I want to first talk a little bit about why it's important and what it looks like to organize your content. Course navigation facilitates ease of use for your students by employing the following strategies. Use a consistent layout and design throughout your course. Make content, the learning resources, the tools, and media really easy to locate for your students. The design elements that you choose should be used repetitively, as this increases predictability and intuitiveness for your students. Modules and topics should be labeled with easy to understand, self-describing, and meaningful names. And that's meaningful to your students, which may be different from what's meaningful to you. Also watch out for broken links, and those are links that don't work when the students click on them. Additionally, you want to make sure that your course design facilitates readability for your students. You can do this by avoiding using color alone to convey meaning, making sure that similar content is grouped together, using a heading and body style throughout your course that is consistent. Avoid large blocks of text. Break it up with bullet points or in different areas of your course. Use the browser default for font size. Avoid fonts that are too small or that have too little contrast with the white background. The remaining videos in this playlist will cover creating modules and topics, editing modules and topics, deleting and moving modules and topics in order to lay that foundation for a well-organized course. Check them out.